Hello G, a warm welcome from Jigisha and her team of artisans for you. In the previous video, we saw how to paint the background for this wonderful painting. And in today's video, we'll see how to paint this beautiful flower pot holding this amazing bunch of roses. So let's get started right away. Now let's paint the flower pot. Sit down beta, sit. Elena, sit.
मैम जब भी पेंटिंग करती ना खड़ी रहती, खड़ी नहीं रहती.
Now using white, we give a bit of shading on that pot. Now let's mark circles with any circular object. Here we are using the lids of bottles. So mark circles for the roses. Yes, we mark circles and then we are going to paint them into roses. Here we are using lids of bottles.
Outdoor shooting. हो गया.
Yes, now we are using the small lid for making small roses. For the small roses now, you've taken a small lid, na? Now, let's color the circles in Crimson Lake color.
पहले मैंने linseed oil को dip किया फिर किया.
Yes, we are using a round brush and linseed oil.
Teacher.
Good work. Nice. Now what? Now see what you have to do. You have to paint the flowers which are behind these. So they are partially visible. This way.
ये तो मुझे आता है. मैम ये ना आप करके दो ना.
I'll show you for one or two. See. This is one flower which is behind these three flowers.
इसका मतलब ये एक फ्लावर है जो इन फ्लावर के पीछे है.
Okay. Now color these.
राज को 3. मैम ऐसे क्या होता है?
बहुत अच्छे.
वाओ मैम हो गया.
Wonderful.
मैम अच्छा है.
Nice. Wow, nice, lovely. Good.
लियोनिका क्लॉथ डोनार. लियोनिका मैम लाइन बना रहा है ऐसे.
Nice, good work. Good. Sit, Elena, sit down. Nice. Continue.
मैम ऐसा अच्छा दिख. मैम देखो
Nice. Nice.
मैम अभी ये अच्छा है.
Lovely.
मैम
Excellent. Wonderful. यहाँ पे बनाओ.
बिग बड़ा बड़ा.
Are you done? Put some more lines. Now let's paint some leaves.
मैम लीव से डालना है.
Let that hair lock go behind your ear. Huh?
कोई आया है क्या?
हाँ.
ये देखता है कोई आया है क्या.
So which green have you selected for the leaves?
सैप ग्रीन.
Very good. Nice.
क्या करूँ?
Paint one more leaf in the middle.
ये
Yes.
हो गया.
हाँ. Let it go down, that leaf.
हो गया. ये इधर
हाँ. Overlap.
हो गया.
Overlap it. हाँ. Nice.
बहुत बड़ा है. मेरा ब्लैक ही है.
Excellent work. Bal. Now the yellow lines are over. Now let's give one more coat of Crimson Lake.
उसको ये
Good. Huh? Take enough crimson color.
मेरा हो रहा
Now be careful. Slowly. Don't be in haste. Nice. Excellent work.
मेरा
Color with the tip of the brush. Now we fill the spaces between the roses. The triangular space between the flowers.
देखो इतनी बड़ी हाइट है सोई. ले राज. मेरा गोल. मेरा गोल देखो. ले. मेरा अच्छा है.
We enjoyed making this painting and I hope that you enjoyed watching it. If so, do give a thumbs up and please subscribe for such informative tutorials.